Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a part of the brain that's often overshadowed by its bigger, flashier neighbor. I'm talking about the cerebellum. You might have heard it called the little brain, but don't let the name fool you. This incredible structure is a powerhouse of control, precision, and even emotional harmony. So, if you've ever marveled at a gymnast sticking a perfect landing, a musician playing a complex piece flawlessly, or even just manage to walk without falling over, you have your cerebellum to thank. Stick around, because we're about to uncover just how crucial this little brain really is for our everyday lives. Let's start with the basics. The word cerebellum is Latin for little brain, and it's tucked away at the back of your head, right underneath the main cerebral hemispheres. It might only make up about 10% of the brain's total volume, but it contains over half of the brain's total neurons. That's right, more than 50%. This density of neurons hints at its incredible processing power. For a long time, scientists thought the cerebellum was only involved in motor control, and that's definitely its most famous job. Think of it as the ultimate quality control manager for your movements. When you decide to do something, say, reach for a cup of coffee, the initial command comes from your motor cortex in the cerebrum, but that signal is pretty rough. It's the cerebellum that steps in to refine it. It receives information about your body's position from your limbs and your inner ear's balance system. It then compares your intended movement with your actual movement and makes instantaneous corrections. This is what allows you to move smoothly and accurately. Without a properly functioning cerebellum, that simple act of reaching for a cup would become a jerky, uncoordinated mess. You might overshoot the cup, knock it over, or struggle to grasp it properly. This is why damage to the cerebellum can have such a dramatic impact on a person's life. Conditions like ataxia, which is a loss of full control of bodily movements, are often linked to cerebellar issues. People with ataxia might have a wide, unsteady walk, trouble with fine motor tasks like writing or buttoning a shirt, and slurred speech. It highlights just how much we rely on the cerebellum's constant behind-the-scenes adjustments for almost everything we do. From walking and talking to typing on a keyboard, it's the master of timing and coordination, ensuring all the different muscle groups work together in perfect sequence. But here's where things get really fascinating. Over the past couple of decades, research has revealed that the cerebellum's role extends far beyond just movement. It's also deeply involved in our cognitive and emotional lives. Think about it. Just as it smooths out our physical movements, it seems to also smooth out our thoughts and emotions. Neuroscientists now talk about something called the cognitive affective syndrome, which can occur with cerebellar damage. This can lead to problems with planning, abstract reasoning, and working memory. Like the brain's ability to sequence thoughts, becomes as clumsy as its ability to sequence movements. Even more intriguing is its connection to our emotional regulation. The cerebellum helps modulate our emotional responses, ensuring they are appropriate for the situation. It helps create a certain rhythm and flow to our emotional experiences, preventing us from having overly dramatic or flat responses. It's connected to brain regions like the limbic system, which is the brain's emotional center. This suggests that the cerebellum helps calibrate our feelings, much like it calibrates our steps. So, that feeling of being in the zone or emotionally balanced might have a lot to do with your little brain working in perfect harmony with the rest of your mind. So, the cerebellum isn't just the conductor of our physical orchestra. It's also a key player in our mental and emotional symphony. It fine-tunes our actions, sharpens our thoughts, and balances our feelings. It's a testament to how interconnected the brain is. Where a structure once thought to be a simple motor controller is now understood as a crucial hub for who we are and how we navigate the world. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most important things come in small packages. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this journey into the little brain interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our own minds. Let me know in the comments what part of the brain you'd like to explore next. See you in the next video.